Yeah. That didn't take long. Did you guys listen to the video yesterday about weed stocks? I forgot if I made a video yesterday. I woke up this morning, I was thinking, I hope I told people to short these stocks because they're all going to go right back to where they came from. Whoa. You short MAPS? Did you short Tilray? You short MJ? You short GRWG? MAPS was the easiest one. But damn, I thought AMD would hang in there. I tried buying the dip on AMD 3 times today. No dip buying on AMD. But now that that stock has broken down, when AMD starts to come back, that's when the market will find a bottom. And that's it. That's my stance right now. Unless AMD finds a bottom and starts to rally, the market's not going up ever again until AMD stabilizes. And I think you got another maybe at $58. We're talking about maybe another 5 or 6% to the downside, and then it better hold up or we're done. And which is okay. I mean, it's about time the market went nowhere for a couple of years. And considering we can't get off the bottom's not in. And I still think we got to go to 258 on the Qs, which is only 10 points down. If that doesn't hold, you got 5 more to the down. If 253 doesn't hold, we got 247. And if that doesn't hold, 238. And if 238 doesn't hold, we're going back to the pandemic lows. So 238 and the Qs better hold up. But once again, no matter what how we rally and where we go and what we're saying, I'm telling you, and I'll be bullish again. There's no fucking way in hell we're going back to 408 on the Qs anytime soon. No way. Not this time. 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 We might not see 408 on the Qs, let alone even 385 for 2 years. At least we have to finally have a real U bottom. The V bottoms, those were constructed by the Fed. You're not going to have a V bottom and then suddenly start squeezing when you finally have other places to put your money. That takes away some of the V. You've got stocks that are broken now that are never coming back. That takes away from the V. People are emotionally scarred. That takes away from the V. You have less money. You got to spend it on food and to pay your mortgage now. There's less gambling. That takes away from the V. So the idea of that V bottom coming, it's virtually impossible, right? So even if we do rally, I'm still selling premium. Anything above 380, I got no problem sitting and waiting for the money to get paid. There's no way we're going above 380 anytime soon. And that's 100 points, 120 points, 110 points from here on the Qs. Because you got to think of it this way. Now these companies aren't the same. Tesla is not the same stock as it was 2 years ago, nor will it ever be. I don't care if he does colonize Mars. The stock is busted now. It's never going to be that same stock. It'll have a run, and I still love it. I still love Tesla, but the stock's got another 60 points to go down from here. So I can't see this market rallying without AMD and Tesla and NVIDIA. That stock's broken. We haven't found the bottom on that yet. And now the banks are going to come out and see if they're making any money with all their, interest rates, or they're going to have to start working again. And by the way, if you still have a Citibank or a Chase account, get out of those accounts. Take your money out of those banks. They're disrespecting you. For the interest rates to be going up for the last 5 or 6 months, what is Citibank and Chase paying you on your savings account? They're still at 0.05. You can go anywhere and get premium now. You can go to TD Ameritrade. You can go to E-Trade, Marcus. You can go money markets. They're paying 275 to 3 now. You could be buying 3-month short duration CDs and getting, what are we at now? You can get 6 months, 385. And come next Wednesday, rates are going to go up. They're going to raise rates again. market is not going up, and interest rates are going up. So there's no way we're going back to all-time highs anytime soon. I wouldn't mind the nice 20% rally off lows one more time this year. There's no way. There's no way we are going back to highs. I tell you something. That stock IC, you saw what it did into the close today. This is why it's hard for me to own stocks. I'm rocking new high yesterday, new high the day before. We've stabilized today. We caught a bid, got to 2140. We're all feeling pretty good about the stock. And then reality sets in at the end of the day. That chart on IC represents everything why I hate owning stocks. Because it was a blatant short. But you own it. You're not supposed to bail out of your stock. But that's why I became a trader. Short the stock you own in your day trading account. So when it does plummet 60 cents and you got your 1,000 shares over there, short the 1,000 shares over here, make the 60 cents so you didn't really actually lose the money. That's how I became a trader, just hedging my own account. But gross stuff going on. But telling you, man, the easiest short of the year, and I'm not even joking, the easiest short of the year were the weed stocks this morning. And all you had to wait was 5 minutes. 5 minutes into the day, you knew nobody wanted to buy these stocks. And what do you think that 5 minutes was? You broke the lows of the day and broke the pre-market pivot points. So then you're shorting these $4, you're shorting Tilray at 390, risking a dime. And it went back to 315. But MAPS was the easiest short. You were risking a nickel at 252 to short it. And if it would have went and broke the highs of the day, you would have lost a nickel. But the target was 225, 207, and 204. Look where it ended. 207. No, you can't see the charts. That's what you pay the big bucks for. Yeah, one of these days I'll figure out how to put charts back up on YouTube. But just saying, have a good weekend. I'll be throwing axes and going to Comic-Con. If anybody's in New York City, I'll probably be at Comic-Con on Sunday if you want to geek out. But for now, I'm going to sleep. See ya. Have a great weekend, y'all. Thanks.